Here we are with Cat Legends #1. I have put a toy inside that little container, and I will try to find out how they get through to that toy. We see one of the cats trying to pull it through. She's trying to pull it through from the outside of the gate instead of jumping in. What a strange method. I suggest the only way is to jump in. Oh, look at what we have here, our new contender. Maybe he will think of jumping in. We shall see. Meanwhile, let's see what Pearl is doing. And now we will rest you with a time lapse. Well, would you look at that? Charcoal has decided just jumped in and gotten the toy. What a smart move. And now he has the time to rest and relax.